नादरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम of Farsi. Today the topic of my short lecture is the end of Gaza war. The end of Gaza war is being welcomed by mostly by Islamic countries and Arab countries, OIC and Arab League, and all over the world, including European Union, America, American bloc, NATO, and Russian bloc. But if we see that the PM of Israel, Netanyahu, is insisting upon to occupy the lands of Palestinians, including West Bank of Gaza, West Bank, Gaza, those territories of Gaza, which he had occupied in this war. We should know that how many extent he has achieved by genocide, due to genocide of Palestinian Muslims of Gaza. Over 70,000 Palestinians have been killed since now. We should fully condemn this policy of Nathan to threat the Arab people for extension and to occupy the lands of Arabs. The genocide of Arab is must be condemned. Not only should be condemned, but also Netanyahu should be arrested and he must be tried in International Court of Justice, the office of which is situated in Hague, Holland. May the President of America is considering that the end of war of Gaza will give the opportunity to establish the peace in Middle East. But if Netanyahu does not return the lands of Arabs, the continuation of this ceasefire must be finished. The genocide of Arab is a very big crime, and the people, the Muslims are appealing to United Nations that he must be, Netanyahu must be hanged, and he must be punished, penalized. And it will take at least 20 to 25 years to rebuild Gaza. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.